Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back here with another look. Today's look is like some really cute summer spring inspired makeup look. Something super glowy and like wet looking, you know? It's a glossy lid without putting gloss on my lids, basically. But yeah, this look is like super inspired by like summertime because, like, you know, we have our cute pink lip, our glossy lid, glowy skin. So yeah, I really love the way this look came out today. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and use my No Pore Primer from Touch in Soul. And I think this is the... Wait, is this the same brand that has the... Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna use this for primer today. And this is like favorite primer. You guys know because I've literally been using it so much lately. I'm gonna take my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I haven't used this foundation in actually a while. I've been using my Maybelline one, but we're gonna switch it up today. So, and my pump broke, so I have to like scrape it out like I'm poor. I'm gonna use a brush to blend this out. This is just my Shop Miss A $1 brush that I freaking love. So let's buff this out. Okay, so for concealer today, I'm gonna take... Will it focus? Okay. For concealer today, I'm gonna take my Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline, and I'm gonna take a little bit of my ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in the shade Dark 46, and the Maybelline one is in the shade Tan. And like, the Instant Age Rewind is just really that girl. I used to use it like in high school. Like when I first got into makeup, I was using this product, but they didn't have as many shades back then as they do now. So I didn't really love it that much back then. And also I just hated the applicator, and I still don't really love it that much, but the product itself is just really, really good. So then I put a little bit of the ColourPop one just for brightening a little bit more. It's pretty much the same color. Yeah, it's definitely the same color. But yeah, this is for like a little bit more coverage because the Instant Age Rewind is like not as much coverage. I have no idea where my cream contour is, so we're just gonna skip that today. It's not a big deal. Now I'm just gonna blend my concealer out with a brush and a beauty sponge, and yeah, let's get to pouncing. Now I'm gonna take like this really fat powder brush. This is from Moda. It don't say nothing. It's just a fat brush. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this No Color powder and just like pound it on my face just to like set it in place. Even though like I really don't need to set it in place because I'm literally not going anywhere. But it's a thought that counts, you know. Cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my cheeks. I'm gonna use this Luxie 660 Precise foundation brush, and I'm gonna do some bronzing because I look a little crazy. This Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take the brown shade. Okay, I got this lmao Cosmetics blush palette in my BoxyCharm box for this month. So I want to use it. I'm gonna use these two shades. Hopefully they show up on my skin. Yikes if they don't. Because I want a cute pink blush, you know. Is it showing up? I really can't tell in this lighting. I can't tell. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna take that same brown shade that I used on my cheeks from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line. Just a little bit of color. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Becca Opal highlighter and I'm gonna highlight my inner corners. So I went ahead and sprayed my face with my Urban Decay setting spray. And now I'm gonna highlight a little bit my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Cute. I'm just doing a little bit of highlighter because, like, you guys already know I'm not like the biggest fan of highlighter anymore. So I just want a little bit. Just to look cute and glowy. And like on the forehead. Now you gotta highlight the forehead, honey. I'm gonna do lashes. The lashes that I'm gonna be wearing today are my Jackie eyelashes from Yell Cosmetics, and I'm gonna leave a link down below for you guys to check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna pop my lashes on really quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now it's time to do the glossy lid. So my lids are like oily, so they already look glossy, like, period. But I'm gonna take a little bit of this Becca Opal highlighter, and I'm just gonna take it on a little brush, okay? And I'm just gonna put it on like the center of my lid so it could just look a little bit shiny, shining, yeah. Like, you don't even have to do gloss if you don't want to. You just put a little bit of this, like, any like champagne-y highlighter or eyeshadow or like something shimmery would be cute, and it could like look super glossy. Like, you can pull off a glossy look without using gloss, because this looks glossy, don't it? Don't it? I'm gonna do a glossy lid like this because I don't want to put gloss on my lid. At first I was gonna put gloss, but now since I have this shadow on, I don't even need it. I don't even need the gloss. Like, it looks glossy without it, don't it? It do. Okay, now for lips, I'm gonna be doing a bright pink lip today. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use these Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipsticks. I haven't tried these colors before, so hopefully they look good. But the first color I'm going to use is in the shade Artist, and I'm going to see how that looks on its own. Maybe if I want to make it brighter, I'll put a different color on top, but let's see. Okay, now I want to give my body some glow. I was gonna spray my body with like my concoction, but like it has hella glitter in it, so like I don't have time for that. So we're just gonna apply some highlighter. So Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. This is what I used on my face. If it will focus, that'd be great. And then I'm just gonna take, should I take a bigger brush than this? No, I'm not. I'm gonna take this brush. So I'm just gonna put it on my collarbones because that's like the thing, the look. The look. I guess, I don't know how like any of this goes. I don't really usually do this. I'm just gonna put it all over my chest. 2BH. 2BH? TBH. Okay, more on the shoulder. I'm gonna use my left hand because that's easier. Is that doing anything, y'all? My Urban Decay spray, just to make it look like wet looking. You know, like extra drenched. Extra drenched, y'all. Okay guys, so this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really love the way this look came out. It's like super easy and super simple, perfect for the summer, perfect for the spring, no matter what weather, maybe like we're still beat, we're still cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'm really sorry for not posting enough. I know I should be posting way more than I do, but I promise I'll be posting a bunch of looks for the summertime because I love doing summer makeup looks. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be leaving all the products that I use in this video in the description box down below for you guys to check out, along with some coupon codes as well to save you guys some coins. You guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all makeup by Shania, and I'll see you guys in the next video.